سبسکرائب کیجیے شاہین شارٹ اینڈ سسٹم چینل کو اور بیل آئیکن کو دبائیے لیٹسٹ ویڈیوز سب سے پہلے دیکھنے کے لیے.
Hi guys, as you know that I am Mukhtar Joya, Director General of Shaheen Shorthand System. آج ہم ایک اسٹوڈنٹ کا انٹروڈکشن آپ کے سامنے کرانے جا رہے ہیں جو شہین شارٹہینڈ سسٹم کے یوٹیوب چینلز پہ جو ویڈیوز ہیں ان سے بہت زیادہ انسپائرڈ ہیں، موٹیویٹڈ ہیں، اور ہم چاہ رہے تھے کہ ہم ان کا انٹرویو کریں تاکہ جو لوگ شہین شارٹہینڈ سسٹم کو جن لوگوں نے جوائن نہیں کیا، ایجوکیٹڈ لوگ ہیں، پڑھے لکھے لوگ ہیں اور ان کو گورنمنٹ جاب نہیں مل پا رہا، تو ان کی گائیڈ لائنز کے لیے، ان کو اکاموڈیٹ کرنے کے لیے میں امید کرتا ہوں کہ یہ انٹرویو بہت ہی بہتر رہے گا. تو میں سر نسیم سے گزارش کرتا ہوں کہ وہ اپنا کویشچن کریں. سر پلیز.
السلام علیکم ویورز، شاہین شارٹ اینڈ سسٹم سے اور ایک نئے انٹرویو کے ساتھ آپ کے سامنے. انٹروڈیوس یور سیلف میم فرسٹ آف آل.
My name is Shamshad Banu. I belong to Azad Kashmir Forward Kohota, and I did my matric and FSc in pre-medical from Kashmir, and I came here and did my BS English from Punjab University Lahore, and now I'll do my MPhil inshallah.
Good. What did you learn from Shaheen Shorthand System YouTube channel?
I have watched so many videos and I have learned a lot by them, and firstly I learned that how to live life and how we can achieve our goals, and how to teach and how to deal with our dull and slow learner students, and I'm too much inspired and encouraged by it.
Wow, good. Why are you inspired from Sir Joya?
I'm inspired by him because he is one of world's best teacher.
No doubt.
Yeah. His way of teaching oral language, body language, and his confidence, his deliverance of lectures, performance, each and everything is excellent, and he has a unique style of teaching, and
No doubt.
yeah, he has a unique style of teaching, and he teaches students so meticulously that a dull and slow learner students understands very well.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
very inspired by
Thank you so much.
Have you visited here first time?
No, yeah, I have visited here second time. Firstly, I came here to discuss my presentation topic. Someone gave me his contact number, and I came here, met with Sir Joya, and discussed about my presentation topic. And I had no idea about my presentation topic, and he resolved my problems just in a minute or two, and I was so shocked that how quick mind and efficient teacher is this.
Thank you.
Good. You are inspired YouTube Shaheen Shorthand YouTube channel and inspired from Sir Joya. I want to ask, are you interested for shorthand training, and why? If yes, and why?
Although it's not related to my field, as I did my BS in English, but still I'm too much interested in learning shorthand, because if a student enters in Shaheen Shorthand College, and he enters here as a student, and he goes from here as an officer, and I think a person can easily qualify a job after studying in this college. And one thing that I learned from his videos is that saving of money, saving of time, and saving of energy as well. And I think these three things are most important for one's successful life.
Ma'am, any message for young generation?
I wanna give message to our young generation that if you are educated, jobless persons, there are number of opportunities, number of shorthand based jobs from grade 14 to 17, even 18, and so please come here. Don't waste your time, money and energy. Just come here. If you will come here and you will go from here as an officer, no doubt Shaheen Shorthand is our destiny for our educated jobless guys.
And next question is, Mike, what did you learn from shorthand videos, YouTube channel?
I have learned a lot of things by your videos and your channels. Like it builds my confidence. It teaches us how to teach, how to deal with the slow learners. It teaches me saving of money, saving of time. It has been
wish you good luck. My last question is, what is your goal in your life?
My goal is to become English lecturer, and now I want to learn shorthand.
What purpose? For job or for you're interested?
For both, for job also, and because I'm interested, and that's why I also want to learn here.
Thank you.
मैम थैंक यू वेरी मच. आप यहाँ पे शाहीन शॉर्टहैंड सिस्टम के मेन कैंपस में तशरीफ़ लाईं. आप शाहीन शॉर्टहैंड सिस्टम के यूट्यूब चैनल पे जो मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस हैं उनसे इंस्पायर्ड हैं. मैं आपको थैंक यू कहता हूँ. आप मेरा जो टीचिंग स्टाइल है, जो टीचिंग मेथडोलॉजी है, उस पर आप मोटिवेटेड हैं, इंस्पायर्ड हैं. आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू. और जो आपने यंग जनरेशन को एक एडवाइस किया है कि वो अपना टाइम वेस्ट ना करें, शाहीन शॉर्टहैंड सिस्टम के प्लेटफॉर्म पे आएँ, यहाँ से शॉर्टहैंड स्किल लें और एज सुन एज पॉसिबल वो मेरिट पे गवर्नमेंट जॉब लें. तो मैं अगेन आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ. यू वेलकम हियर.
थैंक यू.